Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your policy with State Farm, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your policy with State Farm, start by gathering your policy information. Locate your policy number and any relevant personal details, such as your name and address. Visit the State Farm website to find contact information for customer service. You can either call the customer service number or use the online chat option. If you choose to call, be prepared for potential wait times. When connected, clearly explain that you wish to cancel your policy. Provide the customer service representative with your policy number and personal information. They may ask for a reason for the cancellation. Take the opportunity to express any concerns or issues you've experienced. The representative will guide you through the cancellation process. Ask about any potential fees or refunds associated with canceling your policy. If you prefer, you can also cancel your policy through the State Farm mobile app. Log into your account, navigate to the policy you wish to cancel, and follow the prompts. Make sure to confirm the cancellation and save any confirmation for your records. After completing the cancellation, keep an eye out for any official confirmation via email or mail. Verify that your policy is officially canceled by checking your account status online. If you have any questions afterward, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service again. Make sure to follow up on any pending issues related to your cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.